absolutely happy moment for me as I got my passport stamped with Canada visa with help of Versatile Academy.
I paid 25,000, but I should not say that I paid 25,000 because today मैं ये इतनी खुशी से आई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस मिल रहे हैं. That's why I'm happy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
100% refund.
And make more videos that can help the students
Yeah.
so that if they're planning to go to Canada for their further education, they can definitely consider a good consultant like Versatile Academy.
Hey guys, hello. This is me Manika Gangwani, your boss girl, and this video is right now coming on Versatile's page because यहाँ की मैं student हूँ and आपने मेरा वीडियो अगर देखा होगा तो you know that I got my visa in 19 days and मैंने stamping के लिए भेजा था, so I got it from VFS. So चलिए आपको दिखाती हूँ कैसा एक स्टैम्प वीज़ा दिखता है. थोड़ा बहुत ब्लर कर दूंगी क्योंकि मेरे उस पर इन्फॉर्मेशन है. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट माय जर्नी विथ वर्सेटाइल अकेडमी बिकॉज आई थिंक बहुत एक जेन्यून अच्छी सी जर्नी है तो शेयर करनी बनती है. एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट वाई डू यू नीड अ एजेंट and a good agent, how they help you out with the process. I am here at Versatile at my agency and I am unboxing or what, unwrapping the VFS का मेरा passport आ गया था. I think in 5 days only it came and you can see थोड़ा दूर से ही दिखाते हैं. This is how the Canada का stamp looks on my visa. एकदम बीच में किया है हमने and I'm so happy to have it. Like अभी भी 4 महीने बाकी हैं मुझे जाने में and I still have it. So happy about it. And now let's go meet sir जिनने मुझे help out किया है and let's meet ma'am as well. So I am going to show my visa जो कि stamp हो गया है. Everyone is happy about it. Yeah, I got it ma'am. Thanks to all your efforts. इतना call करके मैम को मैंने पूछा about everything, every step.
You are most welcome.
And
Manvi.
that
And
too
I am,
when she was in Pune and I was in Nasik.
I know. And I am so happy for her. And many congratulations to you, Manvi.
Yeah,
May
I
you have the
totally
best
recommend
future.
her. Like I totally recommend her because even if you are in long distance relationship of agent and student with her, you are going to love the service.
Thank you so much.
This is a ritual कि मैंने यहाँ से करवाया है and I paid 25,000 but I should not say that I paid 25,000 because today मैं ये इतनी खुशी से आई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस मिल रहे हैं. एवं मैं खुश नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मेरे पैसे एज अ स्टूडेंट वापस मिल रहे हैं. That's why I'm happy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
100% refund.
So this is a 100% refund and मैं actually सर के साथ फोटो खिंचवाने आई हूँ आज because this is Versatile's ritual and आपने YouTube पे भी देखा होगा कि you know students and agents after they get
Yes.
there. So that's what I'm here for. And thank you so much ma'am. You know I think
Most welcome,
एक student को बहुत अच्छा एक Salim sir, owner of Versatile Academy.
And this cup is for Manvi for
Are you
getting her
serious?
visa approved. Yes, thank you
Yes.
so much
Thank you so
for
much,
trusting
sir.
us.
Yeah.
And before we go ahead, I want to you yesterday, as you told me that you have some questions regarding the process for Canada. Today, I think we can clear some of your doubts
Yeah.
and make more videos that can help the students
Yeah.
so that if they're planning to go to Canada for their further education, they can definitely consider a good consultant like Versatile Academy.
Yeah, even I think because आपको पता होगा मेरा चैनल अलग है and we are actually collaborating because we thought that on this channel we want to collaborate and we want to provide a knowledge. That's what the next videos are for. So subscribe to Versatile Academy today. And I think everyone needs a genuine agent क्योंकि आजकल स्कैम्स भी बहुत हो रहे हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड चेक हाउ ओल्ड दे आर इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, इन दिस सर्विस. एंड आई थिंक सिंस 2004 Versatile is established. So yeah, let's talk about little bit of what you need if you need to get started with Salim sir.
Hi, first of all, I would like to introduce my colleagues, Ms. Sanjana Rai and Ms. Shraddha Asar. They both are the head of the departments, and with the help of them, it is the entire process, the entire journey of the process for the students going abroad becomes really very easy. Today we have some questions that Manvi has got us, and we would try to answer maximum so that it could be a great help for the other students who are thinking of going to Canada for their further education.
So guys, talking about Versatile Academy, We represent 4,000 plus universities across the globe, and I think you should grab this opportunity because we are here to provide some information, because I did my Canada process with them. And my first question would be कि students को कहाँ से start करना चाहिए, not only Canada, but what if they are planning for any country and they don't have funds or information, where should they start the planning from, like scratch?
So I think that Manvi, a very good question, and I would like to answer this particular question. ये सिर्फ तुम्हारा एक सवाल ये सिर्फ तुम्हारे दिमाग में नहीं है, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जिनको समझता ही नहीं है कि हम प्रोसेस कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें. तो सबसे पहले अगर हायर एजुकेशन की आप बात करो, एंड इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू टेक हायर एजुकेशन अब्रॉड, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज यू नीड टू फाइंड अ गुड कंसल्टेंट. क्योंकि क्या होता है, गूगल पे या कोई भी सर्च इंजन पे बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन है जो बहुत ज्यादा प्रिसाइज भी है, पर साइमल्टेनियसली वो बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग भी है. तो बहुत लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है कि यू नो हाउ एग्जैक्टली शुड वी स्टार्ट. So in whatever city you are of your town, you see that you go to a good consultant, any genuine good consultant जो मार्केट में काफी सालों से है, जो काफी सालों से बच्चे भेज रहे हैं और जिनका काफी रेप्यूटेशन अच्छा है, वो कंसल्टेंट के पास आप जा सकते हैं. और वहां पे आई एम श्योर कि आपको कोई ना कोई करियर काउंसलिंग के लिए काउंसलर्स मिलेंगे. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज दैट यू गो टेक एन अपॉइंटमेंट विद द कंसल्टेंट, मीट द काउंसलर, tell them that exactly what do you want to study, how much is your budget, what type of country are you planning to go ahead with, are you planning to take a country where you get a permanent residency, or you are planning for a country where you are only focusing on taking education and coming back to your home country, and then so on and so forth. So there's a lot of things. So the first answer to your question is very precise, that you should go to a good consultant, as you came to Versatile Overseas Consultants.
Let me tell you, मेरा बचपन से प्लान था कि मैं 11 से I was thinking यार कनाडा जाना है, but तब I don't think there were so many vlogs. अभी it's been like 2-3 years कि अचानक से students are like posting and showing the life. So now you get confident कि even I want to pursue. But जब तक मैं यहाँ पे नहीं आई तब तक I was not clear. Okay, now I'm serious about it, really planning to go Canada. So that is your really first step. एंड आई थिंक अगर आपको प्रिसाइजली कोई भी वीडियोस के टॉपिक्स पे इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, दैट इज अपकमिंग ऑन दिस चैनल वर्सेटाइल, एंड यू शुड डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब इट. कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन दिस नंबर राइट अवे, and you can, it's so easy guys, just call them and ask your doubts and enroll for any course, and trust me, costed me 0 rupees. बस आप serious होना चाहिए कि you want to get your visa. seriously बीच में छोड़ दोगे so it's a waste of money, and just be serious about it and go for it. Believe in your dreams. Thank you so much ma'am, and I am also upcoming in details videos with ma'ams and also with sir. So thank you so much guys, बने रहिए, मिलते हैं next video में. Bye.